Hey guys, and welcome back. I got another tutorial video for you, and this one is how to make your own rainbow loom. So, okay, this is my loom. I think it's like stretchy bands or something, but anyways, it's got the same type of pegs, whatever. So, this cost $7.99 or $8 at AC Moore. And yeah, I want to make my own and take this one back. I like it, but too expensive. And then the $16 one is way too expensive. So what you're gonna need for this project is some cardboard. Okay, and you can get these boxes at the post office. They're perfect size because they're just long enough. What you want to do is cut yourself, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You want to cut 7 or 8 pieces of cardboard because it's got to be thick. Okay, and cut it 14 by 4 if you want it to be, let's see, if you want it to be, pretty long size and 4 or 5 lines. Okay, so every peg on this board is every 2 centimeters. Alright, every 2 centimeters long ways, and then for the short ways it's just a little bit more. But what you can do, what I did was I took a piece of paper and I put it behind the second row, and then I just marked the lines on where the pegs were and then lined it up. So, alright, after you get the cardboard all on, you can tape it together, hot glue it, or whatever. You want to make your lines, and you can decorate it nice and pretty, whatever. And then you want to make your lines, and I made 4. And what you'll need to make the pegs are tacks. The tacks stick up pretty high, and if you have your lines just right, it won't be crooked. Some of mine are like slightly crooked there, but no big deal. You can pull it out and reposition it. Now, because there's cardboard, they're pretty well in there. If you want it to be extra secure, all you have to do is run your hot glue gun up into your tack like that. Focus, camera. Okay, squirt a little bit of glue on the tack itself, and then just poke it in the hole, and it will put the glue around the tack and secure it even more. So yeah, so that's basically it. So I got this is a little tool that came with mine, and I'll show you a couple of these little bands and how it works. Okay. Oh. Figure 8. Now the only thing is that the pegs aren't as tall as the other ones, and it's a little bit more difficult to slide them down, but it beats the $7, I think. So okay, then you go under. You don't even need this stick, you can just pull it out. Okay, push it down. Get your next one, and this is how you make the fishtail, by the way, if you didn't know already. Get up there. See, you can just pull it up, and it's gonna feel like it's a little bit loose. If you want it to be tighter, of course you can stretch the tacks out, 2.5 centimeters instead, if you wanted it to be a little bit more tight there. So push it down. So see, there you go, and then you can start making the little fishtail there. Okay, and just to show you how strong this is, I think this one, I'm not sure how to start this one. I just did it. It's what's it called, the heart one? Yeah, where you put the rubber bands on. I think it goes this one. Wait. I think. And then here. I'm trying to find a different color. And here. And then the only thing is that I'm not sure if this is right, so sue me if I'm wrong. But it's actually easier to yank them off, at least in the beginning there. I don't think all of these are supposed to go onto this middle one. I'm not sure. But anyways, and then for when you get up to like this peg and you need to go down, like in the loom when you're doing it, you kind of like go down and then scoop from here. There's no well, so I found that kind of difficult. But if you like tilt it up like this and say that you wanted to grab the purple rubber band, you just go up under here, up under, then get your hook right there and then pull it. See, I don't think all of these are supposed to go on here, so that's why it's probably not going. Yeah. So pull it up and then, you know, get it over on the other side. You can do that. It's a little bit more difficult. You just need to like go under and then over. But yeah, that's how you make your own custom loom. And guess what? Their tags come in every color. And you know, see, I got the pinkish red ones here in the front because of the arrows on the other one to tell you to go that way. You can even see how many colors I got. It's greens, yellow, blue, red, clear, white, and I'm sure there's all other different colors too. If you have any other ideas for making the pegs more like these with the wells, let me know. I was trying to think of the simplest idea that I could, the most simple, instead of having to like go out and buy dowels and drill some holes, and we don't have that. You know, not everybody has that capability of doing that. So if you can think of anything else besides tacks, let me know. Nails, of course, you would need nails. You would need hammer. Here, a tack, you can yank it out and put it, you know, in a different spot if needed be, or something. With nails, once you nail it, it's kind of tough to get it out. Plus, you need a piece of wood, and who has wood laying around? I mean, I do, but, you know. But yeah, get creative. If you make your own loom, I wouldn't mind seeing a picture of it, you know, to see how you decorated it and stuff. And yeah, so have fun with this tutorial. See you later.